Guys, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's part 2 of reviewing slimes from Ottawa Slime Invasion. So in this video, I will be reviewing Basic Slimer, Puny Bee Slimes, Charlotte's Creations, and Shiny Slimes. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So the first shop is Shiny Slimes, and the first slime we have is Hubba Bubble Gum. So this slime is a butter slime, and it is so soft and dense, and it's really nice. It isn't scented, none of her slimes are, which is okay. But yeah, it's just a really nice slime. Overall, I rate that slime a 10 out of 10, and it was really nice. Next up, we have Tangerine Dream, which is an 8-ounce slime, and it's really pretty. It looks just like the name. It is a clear slime, but it's really pretty, and I really like it. Up next, we have Detox Water, which is a 6-ounce slime. 6-ounce slime, and it is really nice. It is so thick, and the little Fimos that come with it is so cute, and it adds a really nice touch. Overall, I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. And the last slime from Shiny Slimes is Candyland. Now this slime came with 5 charms in it, which I found really cool. And also it was so pretty. It came with little Fimos in it too. And overall the slime was a 10 out of 10. It had a tiny bit of a weird scent to it, but that's okay. Overall, I rate her shop a 10 out of 10. It is so cute and so professional. I love her slime. The next slime shop is Charlotte's Creations, and I have 5 slimes from her, including the palette. We traded palette for palette, so yeah. The first slime is this cloud slime. It is so nice. It used to be layered like rainbow layers, but I did mix that, sorry. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It is so drizzly, and it is really nice. The next slime is sunflower jelly, and I'm obsessed with the texture of this slime. I have never felt a jelly slime before this, and I want more. It is so nice. Sorry for that rip and the sound. But I love this slime so much. It is so soft and so, like, dense. And I'm obsessed with the texture of the jelly. I don't even know how to make jelly slimes, but it seems really cool. And I love this slime so much. 10 out of 10. It also was non-scented, but that is okay. It did inflate a bit. Next, we have OSI Official, and this slime is so creamy, dense, and I love this slime so much. It is so pretty, and I'm obsessed with it. 10 out of 10. It was also non-scented. It was a self-inflating slime. It inflated quite a bit, like, on its own, just when I was playing with it, which is really cool. I already had to put some in another container before filming this, so yeah. Let's see if it inflated. Okay, it didn't this time, but up next we have fresh limeade, and I have never smelt a slime that has smelled so identical. Like, this smells just like limeade. If you've ever had the drink, it is so good. My whole family is obsessed with the smell, and they love the slime in general. Like, it looks just so amazing, and the little Fimos in it make it so cute. And I just love this slime so much. Now, the last slimes we have from Charlotte is this palette. So we traded palette for palette, and I'm obsessed with her palette. It is so nice. So the first slime is mustard, and I also have it in a 2-ounce version, and I have the ketchup in a 2-ounce version too, but I just wanted to show it in this instead. Here's ketchup. Ketchup smells like fruits, which is really weird, but it's actually a really nice smell. Like this ketchup slime. Not real ketchup. This one's Pop Rocks, and I found it so cute because it actually does, like, fizz a little when you play with it, so that was really cool. Now we have fruit salad. This one was hard to get out because it isn't like a perfectly clear slime, and you didn't want to mix it with the others, which was hard to get out because, like, I was so careful with it. But, oh, it came out actually really easy. It was so clear, like, really cool how clear it was. It smelled like fruits, and it was called fruit salad. I loved the smell so much. It was really nice and pretty. And the last slime in this palette is fried chicken. So this slime is just Floam and Microfloam. It is so cool. I love this slime so much, and it's so pretty. Overall, I rate this palette 10 out of 10. It was really nice and I really liked it. It was called the Picnic palette and all the names were at the bottom of the slimes. I found that really cute and this palette was just adorable. I really liked Charlotte. So the next Slimer we are reviewing is Puny Bee Slimes. So I got 6 slimes from her and they were all amazing, so let's just review them. So the first one is Sorry. This slime was so pretty. I loved the microfloam and floam in it. It was really nice. It was really crunchy too. Overall, I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It was really worth it and it was also self-inflating. As you can see, it inflated a bit. The next slime we have is Llama Land. Now, this is my sister's favorite because she loves the little llama charm in it. It's so cute. I don't know what the texture is. It is the weirdest thing ever. So when you take it out, it is like rippy and stuff. But then when you stretch it and play with it, then it's like soft and it's like just stretches. It did have a scent and it was like a lemon or citrus scent. It was really strong and I really liked it. If you like llamas and if you like citrus scents, then this slime is for you. It was so cute and the llama charm added was so adorable. 10 out of 10. The next slime is Internet Overload. Now this slime was so cute and so clear. It was such a pretty yellow color and I was just obsessed with the whole slime and the idea. I found it so cute how she added the little glitters and the animals to it. It was just really pretty. Up next, we have Alien Goo. Now this slime was so cool. It came with an alien charm and some floam beads. I love the texture. It was a glue-all texture. And the only thing about it is that the charm at the bottom was really hard to get out. And it really hurt my hands trying to get it out. So I'm not going to take it out for this video. I'm just going to show you it at the bottom. If you can see, there's just slime. It's just an alien charm. The slime itself was a glue-all texture. It was really thick and it was really nice. I loved this slime and it was just a really nice slime. 10 out of 10. I'm sorry for that. That was my sister and the other noise was a cat. Now, this is the next slime, Food Truck Gravy. This slime should have been called Nutella because it looked just like a Nutella. Like, if you didn't know the name, then it reminded me just like Nutella. And it was so nice. It was so thick and glossy, and I loved it so much. I'm really sorry for the cat noises. This is Fry. It came with a little fry charm, which is so cute, too. Ten out of 10. Now, the last slime we have in this, for this slime shop, is Cold Hard Cash. Now, this slime was so nice. It was fizzing at the top, and it has sugar beads in it with really cool glitters, and I love it so much, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. So I have 7 slimes from her, and they are all amazing. So yeah, let's just review her. So the first slime was meant to be a trade slime. It's a bread slime that is it's butter / bread slime, and it smells like bread or like M&Ms or like something. It's really nice, and it's really dense and soft, and I was just obsessed. 10 out of 10. It also smelled like peanuts, to be honest, which was really funny, but I really liked this slime. The next slime is Spill the Rose Tea. Now this slime was so thick and glossy, and I loved it so much. It was so pretty, and it also came with a plastic rose, but that's in the box, so... It also smelled just like roses, and it was such a nice scent, and I loved the pink color of it also. The next slime is Italian Colada. Now this slime was so nice. I loved how it had green and red glitters in it, and I loved the slime itself. It was so soft and buttery, and it was just an amazing slime. I'm really sorry about the noises. The next slime is called Sweet Tart. Now this slime was really nice. I actually had 4 of them because she was just giving them away at the end of the event. And I had 4 of them because she didn't really like the slime. So I love the slime though, actually. So the slime comes with flow beads, and at first the foam falls out very easily, but it's a really pretty slime, and it had a nice scent to it also. Up next, we have Cotton Candy Dippin' Dots. Now, this slime had like one of my favorite scents in it. I love the scent so much. It's so sweet, and it smells so amazing. And I've smelt in a few slimes before, and it's definitely my favorite scent, or one of my favorite scents. The slime was really crunchy, and I loved the little pink foam and blue foam that were in it, and the white foam beads. And I loved the micro foam that was in it also. It gave a really nice touch to it. Up next, we have Honolulu, and this slime was a self-inflating butter slime, and I loved it so much. I actually have a 4-ounce filled with it also, and it can inflate to like 3 times its size, which is really cool. I love this slime. It was like so soft, so dense, and I definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. Now the last slime in this haul and for basic Slimer is Mickey's Vanilla Pop Tart. It was scented just like vanilla, and I love the add-ins and the look of it. It was so thick and so glossy, and I just love the slime in general. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, slimetime009. Please comment down below if you want me to do more hauls and stuff like that, and I hope you liked today's video. Bye!